who is AI replacing? My strategy was to tell them, listen, your job is to learn how to leverage this technology. I want you to go out and learn how to do graphics using the best AI graphics programs. I want you to learn how to use video tools in AI. And guess what happened? Not even 6 months later, the amount of time it takes us to launch a brand new sales funnel from scratch. I mean, I could wake up tomorrow and say, you know what? I want to do a campaign on Shopify. I want to teach, I want to get accounting students that want to add Shopify as a service. And within 2 days, I will have a landing page, all the content, the all the webinar content, the slideshow, the prompts for the graphics. I will have the video ads